In this episode, Kate and Christopher use what they learned from the last episode to figure out how many groups of the blue car's journey will fit into the red car's journey. This time, the red car travels 65 miles in some unknown number of minutes. Try to figure out how many groups of 10 miles in 4 minutes fit into the red car's journey before you watch them. After you've finished, start the video again so you can compare your answer to Kate and Christopher's.
For this problem, before you draw a diagram, first anticipate the number of groups of 10 miles and 4-minute journeys you'll need to make in a journey of 65 miles that's going the same speed. Okay. So what do you think? What do you think about that? Would there be 3 groups in 65 miles?
Tricky.
Would it be more than or less than?
It will be something 0.5. It will be something 0.5.
No.
It'll be something 0.5.
So we're going to have to multiply the 4 by 6.5.
Where did the 6.5 come from?
10 does not go evenly into 65, but half of 10 is 5, and 5 goes evenly into 65.
All right.
Okay.
Right, 5 times 10? I mean, 10, yeah, times 10, right?
Where did 6.5 come from?
Because 6 times 10 equals 60, and 0.5 times 10 equals 5.
Okay.
So then this will equal 65.
Okay. So what are you thinking of how to... So you're saying that there's 6.5 groups? Can you show me that in a diagram?
Kate and Christopher seem to think that 6.5 groups of the blue car's journey will fit into the red car's journey. Next, they make a diagram to see if they are right. They will also use the diagram to show how long the red car should take to travel 65 miles so that it goes at the same speed as the blue car, which travels 10 miles in 4 minutes. Try to make a diagram yourself before you watch them. After you've finished, start the video again so you can compare your diagram to Kate and Christopher's.
Yes, 6.5 groups.
Uh-huh.
One is equal to
10 miles
It's
and 4
4
minutes.
10 miles, 4 minutes.
So I'm wondering how many of those groups?
No, actually, no. No, it doesn't.
yes, well, basically, in all of the other models in the past, it does.
We're talking about 65 miles. We're trying to figure out the minutes that'll take us 65 miles.
So how's that different? The first question we had was how many groups of 10 miles in 4 minutes was in a 200-mile journey?
Minutes. Well, now we need to figure out how many groups of 10 miles in 4 minutes are. 65 miles and minutes, which is actually 26 minutes.
You told me there were 6.5 groups. So my question is, how can you draw that?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You know, I'm just gonna draw them separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that.
Oh. So
It's like a half.
half. So okay. So how many miles is that? What do you think about that, Kate?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Because he's counting by 10, and it's 10 miles, because the top is, sorry, the top
Yeah.
is the miles, the bottom's the minutes.
No, actually, this won't be 0.5. It'll be It'll just be 5.
It's basically the same thing we did, except when you stop, you have to make a half thing.
Okay, so earlier you showed me how to do the multiplication for this. Can you do the same multiplication before? Like you had, did I show you an earlier problem?
I can do the multiplication.
Can you, let me
No, I need to.
Kate can do it.
You want to erase that? You're so beautiful. Or what do you want to have there?
No, I'm just putting 65.
Oh, okay. So hold on
No,
a second.
still put the 5.
See this you wrote for this problem? I'm wondering how it,
I could.
yeah, can you do that?
Returns 26.
No, it won't be times 26. The
No, I
answer is
didn't.
26.
Does it say
Yeah.
times 26?
No.
So, Christopher, these questions are for you.
Yep.
And he'll help him out if he needs it, Kate.
So,
You have to write what's the unit on the 4?
what?
4 what?
4 groups of 6.5 miles.
Are there 4 groups here drawn down there?
1, 2. 6.5 miles of 4. So actually, that should be those.
Hold on a
should
second.
be switched. It's
4.
6.5 miles of 4.
Where's the 6.5 miles?
1, 2, 3. 6.5 groups.
6.5 groups, okay. Of what?
4
4 what?
minutes.
Okay. And the 10? The 10 is what?
Miles.
Okay. So the 6.5 is in both cases. What do you think it is, Kate? The 6.5. The mystery is 6.5.
6.5.
Yes, groups of.
The 6.5 is the minute. I mean, not the minutes. Sorry, it's the groups. Oh, the miles. No, the groups. Yeah.
The groups.
Yeah.
It's a big idea.
Kate and Christopher figured out that there are 6 1/2 groups of the blue car's journey in the red car's journey when the red car travels at the same speed as the blue car for 65 miles. As they did in the previous episodes, Kate and Christopher used a diagram where one loop represents the blue car's journey of 10 miles in 4 minutes. Christopher made 6 loops. Then he split another loop in half to show that altogether there are 6 1/2 groups of the blue car's journey in the red car's journey. Then Kate and Christopher multiplied the blue car's journey of 10 miles in 4 minutes by 6.5 because there are 6 1/2 groups of the blue car's journey in the red car's journey. Then Kate and Christopher labeled their diagram with the distance and time for the red car. If the red car made 6 1/2 little trips of 10 miles in 4 minutes, then it traveled 65 miles in 26 minutes in all.